On the 5th of June 2025, Finland, Sweden, Norway, Lithuania, Estonia and the Netherlands signed a statement of intent to explore a potential joint procurement of CV90 armored infantry fighting vehicles. The signing took place in connection with the meeting of NATO Ministers of Defence. The initiative aligns with Finland's government defence report, aiming to enhance infantry firepower and mobility, replace aging equipment, and significantly increase combat vehicle numbers in response to the current threat environment. In addition to vehicles, the possible procurement would include training equipment, spare parts and munitions. Joint procurement is intended to deliver volume benefits, improve compatibility and interoperability, and strengthen security of supply. The project is also expected to offer deeper cooperation opportunities related to other CV90 products and could potentially support Ukraine with CV90 fighting vehicles. If it moves forward, the purchase of new armored infantry fighting vehicles will be one of Finland's largest and most important national defense projects in terms of both capability and money, said Finnish Minister of Defence Antti Hakkinen. When looking to the Army's future capabilities, it is important to work together to seek cost-effectiveness in major equipment purchases like this, without compromising on quality and capability. Hakkinen further highlighted the significance of international cooperation in advancing Finland's defense capabilities. I would like to emphasize the importance of this kind of cooperation to the concrete arrangements for Finland's defense. We are looking into the possibility of a joint procurement at exactly the right time. The statement of intent also opens the door for other nations to join the initiative and for the Finnish defense industry to contribute to its implementation. Once completed, the joint procurement would see Finland using the same CV90 variant as 5 other countries, with shared key features across 3 additional European states.